hey, hey, daddy. Hey, hey. So what if they say, hey, 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 daddy. Hey, hey, showtime. I ain't gotta do a lot of flexing. Shawty, you already know what it is. And girl, tonight we gonna do a lot of sexing. Yeah, can't nobody do your body